How to use TikTok Pulse feature for creators. To use the TikTok Pulse feature, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then make sure that you are eligible for this feature. You must have at least 100,000 followers and you must have posted at least 5 videos in last 30 days. You must be 18 years old or even older. And your videos must hit the top 4% of engagement within your content category. And you also must have a personal or creator account in good standing with no active community guideline violations. Now, once you go through this, you simply have to register your account under TikTok Creator Marketplace. Go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then go ahead and open the TikTok Studio. Scroll down to the monetization section. From here, all you have to do is now once again scroll down to the learning resources. From here, you simply have to now register your account under the creator marketplace. Once you tap on this, you should be able to find the join or apply option over here if you are eligible. And once you do this, you should be now able to use the TikTok Pulse feature for creators. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.